Hey, Miss Robinson, I'm Ashay. I'm your student CNA today, and I'm going to be helping you take deep breaths and cough. And I'm going to wash my hands and provide privacy and put on my gloves first. And I'm going to adjust the bed to a safe level. And then I'm going to help you sit up straight. And then I'm going to ask you to hold a pillow over your stomach. And I'm going to support your back too. Okay. And take a deep breath. And then breathe out. And can you do that 2 more times? Okay. And then I'm going to ask you to take another deep breath. And when you do, cough and cough into the tissue. And I'm going to discard the tissue. And then I'm going to... And then I'm going to help you lay back down. And then I'm going to, here, I'll put the door behind you. And then I'm going to lower the bed back down. And here's your call light. And I'm going to wash my hands. Wait, take off my gloves and then wash my hands. And then I'm going to unprovide privacy and report any changes to the nurse.